To prepare the gum paste, we need some sifted icing sugar, fresh egg white, CMC, carboxymethyl cellulose, corn flour, vegetable fat. For making the paste brilliant white, some white, or to color it, various types of gel colors, plastic bags for storage, and a little stick for scooping the gel colors. We'll place the icing sugar into our stand mixer bowl. We have to work gently so that we don't cover the whole area with dust. We'll put the egg white and we'll set the mixer to a very slow speed to mix the sugar and egg white. For a brilliant white finishing, you can add some white coloring, either in a form of a gel or it can be dust or liquid. Alternatively, you can skip the addition of the color and you will be left with uncolored gum paste, which also looks white. When the mixture turns up with the consistency of a firm meringue, we add the corn flour in one go. And then we put the mixer on for another minute or so till the corn flour is incorporated. Then we add the CMC, the carboxymethyl cellulose, and we continue to mix medium speed for another half minute or so. I'm covering the spatula with a damp cloth just in case that I will have to reuse it while preparing the gum paste. I will not get any traces of dry sugar, crumbs of sugar. The paste should have now the right consistency, quite firm and elastic. So we'll proceed to the next step when we'll take the gum paste away from the standing mixer and we'll carry on kneading by hand for about 2-3 minutes. The paste will be now kneaded with some vegetable fat, either palm oil, rapeseed oil, or a mix like Trex. The fat will help the CMC to spread even more evenly throughout the paste and start behaving properly, giving that elasticity to the paste. After about 2-3 minutes, paste should be good enough to be stored in smaller sizes. So we'll break the paste in 2-3 portions, which will be wrapped individual in smaller plastic bags away from the air, as the air will cause the gum paste to dry very quick. You can store it at the room temperature into a Ziploc bag, or the gum paste should be placed in the freezer if it's to be stored for longer, up to 3 months. When you want to use it, you have to take it out from the freezer overnight in the fridge and then knead on the second day to recondition